Hello everyone, welcome to Shafi Tuts, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock your Facebook profile in PC. Okay, so I'm going to open Google Chrome. You can go any browser you want, then type here facebook.com. Okay, so this is your home page. So now what you need to do, you need to tap here or click here account, right up corner on your screen. Simply click on that, and then here you'll see your name, so simply click on your name, and after that scroll down a little bit, and here you can see three dot. Okay, this one three dot, simply click on that, and here you can see unlock profile. My profile already locked, that's why I'm seeing here unlock profile. So simply click on that, and you can see there's some option. Your profile is locked, so view as, it means if you click view as, then you'll see that your profile is locked. No one able to see your any post except your friend. So now simply click unlock and click unlock your profile and okay. That's all. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today is no more, and thank you for watching.